Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Facebook and going straight to your profile. This saves time. Once there, open Settings and Privacy, then Activity Log so you can see every action tied to your account. Make sure to choose the correct device view, mobile app or desktop, because options differ. Use the filters Immediately, Date Range, Category, or App to reduce noise. This makes it faster to find what you want to remove, and it prevents accidental deletion of unrelated items later on. Now you'll select the items to delete. Use the left-hand filters to focus on posts, comments, likes, or search history, because each type has specific deletion flows. Tap the three-dot menu or the checkbox for bulk actions. On mobile, choose the circle next to entries. On desktop, use the Manage Activity tool for batch removal. Take a quick review pause. Scroll through selected items to confirm they're the ones you want removed, since bulk deletes can't always be undone easily. Complete the process by confirming deletions. Choose Delete, Remove, or Move to Recycle bin depending on the option offered. Once done, revisit Activity Log to verify the items are gone. If something remains, make sure the app is updated and try clearing the app cache. Alternatively, repeat the action on desktop where controls can be more reliable. If a persistent item won't delete, log out and back in, then attempt removal again. Contact Facebook support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.